What's up, guys? Welcome back. I've got a really fun project for today. We're building a worm farm completely from scratch. First, we need to build them a place to live. Then, we'll head outside, find some wild worms, bring them home, and get them all settled in. I'm also going to be posting daily shorts, so you can follow along and watch the farm grow day by day. If you're into projects like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Alright, let's get started. First off, we're gonna slice the jug right around the top, but yo, watch out with that knife. If you're a kid, go get a grown-up to help you out. We're throwing some paper at the very bottom of the jug. It's packed with cellulose, and yo, worms absolutely love that stuff, bro. We're splashing a little water on it just to keep it damp and lock in that soil moisture. Let the digging begin. The worm soil needs to be like a wrung out sponge. Not muddy, not bone dry. Otherwise, they're gonna pass away and their family's gonna be crying. So let's watch out for that. Yeah, after a long search, I finally tracked down the worms. Honestly, they might be the easiest things to find on Earth. I'm gonna gather them up quickly and get them into the box. managed to gather about 6 or 7 of them, and now I'm gonna put them in their new home. Just a quick heads up, please don't overstock your bin thinking the more worms, the more compost. It will totally backfire on you. I'm quickly poking holes with a small needle-like tool, working just like a machine. Normally, I was gonna put the lid on, but it leaves it airtight and creates gaps at the same time, so I found an old colander-like thing to cover it instead. This way the worms won't escape and they'll get plenty of oxygen. And the final step is to store it in a dark area. It must never, ever get any daylight. I'll be posting daily shorts to show the progress anyway, so don't forget to subscribe. Seriously, you're not going to want to miss how this turns out. Let's grow this together. Je koster zout bak, 2010 tiwi.